Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video
Please subscribe to our channel.
and share with everyone. So look what I got here. I got a whole leg from a lamb. I'm gonna try to cut it now. Normally I take it to the chicken store and they cut it up for me. So today I'm gonna try to do it myself. Let's see if I can do it. I got some tools. Let me see if it works. If not, I have to bring out the sazal and work on it. But I have a cutlass, so I'm gonna try with that.
We're gonna make some spicy lamb.
Yeah, we're gonna make some spicy lamb curry today. So stay tuned, stay with us, and let's get this thing rolling. All right? Let's see if I'm successful with this thing here. Come over here. Let's see.
We got some rice here, some dal bubbling up.
So I got this. I got this compliments of Buddy Bye from Canada. So
Yeah.
let's see if it works.
He put his name too.
Got his
Let's
name
see.
too. Buddy Bye. And I also got this one. You guys know this, right? I think I need a hammer for this. But, I got it flat on the ground because if I put it on a table, and with all this hitting and ponging, I'm afraid the table leg might break. So that's why I got it flat. In Guyana, we normally get a tree stump. And you cut a piece of black from it.
Oh, we should get
Cut
one
from it.
from Daddy. He have a lot.
Okay, so we'll ask him for one.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so I got a piece here. I got started. So let me see. Okay, now for the easy part. I gotta get a hammer now, otherwise I'm gonna miss the spot. Let me get my hammer.
These ones came out real nice.
I got the first chop in. Now it's not going any further. I don't want to hit it more. Okay. Got the first piece here.
Real nice. Good job.
I'm gonna have to cut this back into smaller piece, but that I'll do later on. Let me just junk it up.
So I think you get it under control.
Think so?
Yeah.
How are you looking?
Real
Think I
nice.
got it under control?
Yeah.
So I got it breaking out the smaller piece. Now I'm gonna slice it up the way I want it. And I'm using my Cutco knife here. So see?
The knife is real sharpened. Be careful. And the meat is now fully thawed out yet because
Yeah, it was in the freezer and I forget to take it out from last night. I take it out this morning actually. Bones. Alright, so
Hello everyone, it's me, your favorite niece, Jenna. How are you guys doing? I want you guys to have a happy Sunday. Gonna show you something over here. You know what this is? I think this is a lantern by
No.
the looks of it.
no, it's not a lantern. It's a lamp. In Guyana, we call it a lamp. So I get my lamp, guys. Jenna was wondering what is it. We never use it. I just got it for souvenir. One day I'm gonna light it, Jenna, because I think Nana gave us some of the kerosene, right? What's kerosene, Krishna? Yeah, so we get the kerosene for it too. So we're gonna light it up and see how it goes.
And I have this here. It says Big Jacks right here. There's 10 jacks and 1 ball.
So check it out. We used to play this back home. I forgot how to play the game though.
back in the day when you don't have iPad and phone to play with or
Yeah.
tablets.
These were our toys. We like just play with it, Jenna. Let's see what you could do with it.
So guys, I'm gonna try and play the game, and I don't think my parents know how to play it either.
Parents
Oh, I
know, but
picked up
parents
two.
forget.
I think we forget. I gotta ask Auntie Lachmi.
Okay, I got one. I just put it on the side.
The
Yeah.
instruction is probably in the back.
So I guess I'm gonna have to put these back. Okay.
No, I think you have to
Hold.
do it like this, I think. Hold on. I think you have to play it this way. I don't know if you have to say something, I forgot.
I said, Oliver Twist can do this.
No, that's with the big ball. I don't know. I don't think. I gotta ask the sister. My big sister, she remember all the kind of stuff. And then I think you shake it up again and you throw it like that. I think you catch two.
So I got the lamb cut up here. It's a whole leg, right? Just me and Ethan is probably gonna eat this. So this is looking real nice here. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out. Then I'll show you guys how I'm making the curry. But it didn't come out too bad cutting it up. I thought it was gonna be worse, but I actually managed to have it under control with my cutter and knife.
It's a jet. You saw that, Jenna?
Yep.
Wow. What are you doing, Jenna?
So I'm gonna pick up some seasoning for the curry that we're cooking. Let's see, where is it?
So check it out, guys. I'm gonna pick some of these to throw in my dal, my poi bhaji, real blossoming. We're gonna use some of these seasoning. The shatabani tree. My mint! Oh my God! Look what the rain make happen.
And watering the plants.
Yeah.
Let's see what's happening over here.
Real nice, guys. Real pepper. The plants are coming real nice. And these are seasoning. My big sister gave me this one. My mom gave me this one. My mom gave me that one.
Oh look, and the flower is starting to move.
Yeah, the wind.
I don't know what happened to that one.
They have to face this way, that's why. Facing the wrong way. So let's get some poi bhaji. A lot of poi bhaji, okay? Here, Jenna. Let's come over here. You wanna pick it? Pick it, Jenna. Pick the big one.
Okay.
You gotta learn to garden, right?
Oh.
That's okay.
Just,
I think that's enough.
yeah.
Let's see. Real nice. Check it out. Jenna, you got the hang of the game? You like it? Okay.
Yeah.
So look how I'm goating this dal here. Gonna cook at a wedding house and Jandy house or
Yeah. Go to your dal. Go to your dal. Let's see if you do a good job.
course.
Goating.
still get some?
Get a little bit in the bottom. See?
Okay.
That trick the business, man. And he had one black eye inside too. I could see it when we went to the store. They have the black eye next to the dal, and they scoop, yeah.
It's okay. It's all peas, right? So we're ready to chunkate it off. Go ahead, Rita. Let's see what we got there. Smelling real
Oh
good.
wow!
You like
Smell
to
it.
drink some?
Can't waste nothing, okay? Stuff are expensive now.
You gotta get every drop of it.
Every drop. Check it out, guys. Look. Open.
So we're gonna garnish it with some poi bhaji, fresh off of the garden.
Organic. Check it out. Real nice. Ooh. The kids gonna enjoy this.
Yes guys, so I have everything ready. See my meat here? Rita think I overwash it. She said it's supposed to be red meat, now it look white. But anyway, I wash it out clean. I take out most of the fat. I got my onion and pepper here. I also got all my seasoning here. My garlic, green seasoning, curry powder, masala, turmeric, and all these other ingredients here. I also have some meat tenderizer to go in with it.
Yes, this is the secret ingredient you have to use
to make it boil, right?
Yeah, once you put this, the meat gonna finish very fast. So guys, do consider using it.
Man, you're doing commercial for Chief now?
Yay! Spreading the love, spreading the love. Yes guys, so let's get going. Got the aisle here popping.
We got the aisle going here. Add this in. I got some spinach or baggie here going. This is a last minute request from Ethan. I also got some shrimp inside, so this is looking real good here. This is gonna go good with the dal and rice. And I also got the lambs going on the side here, right? So this is fried up nice here, ready for the other stuff. So I got my masala, curry powder and turmeric here. I'm going in with that. See how this is looking here. Over here I got my ground garlic and some green seasoning.
Gotta flavor up the curry.
So I got my sarjam ready there. I'm going in with the lamb now. Long time I didn't have some lamb. I normally do lamb chops on the grill. I didn't have the curry in a while. Go ahead, give this a turn. Let you get some nice mix up with the masala here, so you can bunjal real good. Not gonna make this one too much gravy. I'll make this one dry since I have dhal.
Looking real good.
Yep, looking chatak matak here. So I got me some pink Himalayan salt here. I think this is the healthier salt. Of course, this is optional. This is for flavor. Like I was saying earlier, this is the meat tenderizer. This will help it to boil faster and give it a softer taste.
Yeah, you don't need to pressure your meat.
Yep, and then I also got some fine thyme here. I'm going in with this. Alright, so I'm going to cover this up and let it boil for a little bit. So let's take a look, see how this lamb coming along here. After about, what is it like? Between 5 to 10 minutes, right?
Wow, really?
It's coming out real good here. I'm going to add a little bit of water in it to make it boil some more. You know, lamb takes a little bit longer to boil. Let me get some water.
They're just steaming out, right? And we still get Jenna here trying to figure out the game, right?
I kind of figured it out.
I know you got to use the same hand. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me see what's your dad doing.
Alright, so I'm going to put in a little bit of hot water here. Yep, that should be good.
You don't want to add too much of water, okay? We don't want to cook long water curry here.
Yeah, like I said, I got the dal already anyway, the dal. So, dal and rice, and some nice lamb meat here.
Make kuliman nice.
Dal and rice make kuliman nice. So, last weekend, me and Rita went out, right? So while we were coming back, I got pulled over by a cop. He said I was speeding. I was doing 75 in a 55 mile per hour zone. So anyway, he pulled me over. He said, you know how fast you're going? I said, yeah, I was doing 65. And Rita said, no. Officer, he was doing about 75, 80. I tell him to slow down and he didn't want to listen. So the officer went back to go give me a ticket. While he's coming back, he saw my broken tail light. So he said, I have to give you another ticket now because you got this tail light broken and it's not working. So I said, no, officer, this thing, it just broke today. I didn't even notice. Then Rita said, no, I keep telling him this thing broke like 2 months ago and I keep telling him to fix it. He don't want to fix it. You just leave it alone. So he went back to give me a ticket. And while he's coming back now, he see that I didn't have my seat belt on. He said, what's going on? Why you don't wear your seat belt? I said, no, when you pulled me over, I took it out to give you all the documents. Then Rita said, officer, when he drink, he don't like to wear his seat belt. So that's it. I had to spend the whole week in the lockup. Thanks to Rita. So yes, guys, look at this lamb here. This is pretty much done here. Ready to eat, right? And this is smelling real good. So look what I got here. I got a pimento pepper. I got spinach, rice, dal, and of course the main event here, the lamb, right? Let me go ahead and try this. See how it's cooked. This looks like a young lamb. It boiled pretty good and it tastes very good too. This is what you call heaven.
Let me show you we can do this thing nice. Rosina dance land, Rosina dance land. Show them your break away. Break away, Rosina, break away. Rosina dance land. Show them your break away. Break away, Rosina, break away. And me say break and break and break and break.